Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete invite messages on Instagram. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Instagram app. And let's say I will go to my search button and I will search for Taylor Swift here. And then for example, I will try and message Taylor Swift and I will say hi. Now, for some reason on your side, if it says invite sent, they will not be able to reply unless they accepted your invite request or request message. And you can't delete the message that you sent like this. For mine, I can just unsend it. However, if you can't do that, all you need to do is go to her profile or the profile of the person you're trying to message, and then you tap on the three dots on the top right part of the screen here, and then you simply tap on block. And that is it. They will not be able to see the message that you sent. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.